Finally, we come to analysis. And analysis is by far the hardest part of persuasive writing. But to be effective, you have to have three things in your analysis. First, refer to the evidence. Remind the reader what the evidence is and summarize what it means. Second, connect the evidence to your claim. How does the evidence support the topic sentence? Finally, extend your conclusion. Show your thinking. Explain consequences out to multiple steps. Okay, part one, referring to the evidence. You just mentioned your evidence. Now summarize it. What does it mean? You just mentioned the evidence. Now summarize it. What does it mean? That was your evidence. Here is the summary. Some crusades had more people, some had less. Part two of the analysis, connect the evidence to your claim. If your claim was not all crusades were popular, then say, some crusades were more popular than others. See how I used the word popular? Make sure you repeat any key language that you have in your claim. Repeat that in your analysis to make sure that it's clear how they are connected. Finally, extend the analysis. Tell the reader what conclusions you can come to using this evidence. Like this. Different crusades happened in different years and had different numbers of people joining them. The first crusade had the most, and the sixth crusade had the least. Being popular means that a lot of people want to go on a crusade. If not a lot of people went on the sixth crusade, it wasn't popular. If more people went, then it would have been. Here's another example. If the claim is, the legislative branch is the most important branch of the United States government, and your evidence is, the legislative branch makes all laws, declares war, regulates interstate and foreign commerce, and controls taxing and spending policies, your analysis is going to start with a summary of the evidence. The legislative branch makes rules for the country. I didn't need to summarize everything. I'm just summarizing the part of the evidence that supports my claim. Then I connect the evidence to the claim. Making laws for the country is the most important task a branch of government could do. Laws are rules that keep order. Then you extend the analysis, take it further. If no laws existed, then people would do whatever they wanted and there would be no justice. If there was no justice, people would get hurt and have no faith in the government to protect them from other people. Do you see how it's extended? It imagines what life would be like without the legislative branch, looking for the big picture of what the small details mean. That's what analysis is. You are looking at the big picture. Your evidence is a small detail. You might have several pieces of evidence and they are all small details. Your analysis is taking those details, showing what conclusions that evidence leads to.